Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how are the products that I used for this look. So I'm trying a couple of new things and some oldie but goodies also. I had a discussion with my bestie on here, Miss Sheehan. I'm going to link her channel down below in my description box because she was kind of the inspiration to this look. And again, we were talking about RuPaul and the winners on the show. They win Anastasia Beverly Hills products, and she asked me, did I have any products by Anastasia? So I was like, yeah, I have a couple of things. I have some eyeshadows and some little products, some highlighter. So in this look I did use a couple of her eyeshadows, and so that's what we'll talk about. I'll show you which products I used. And also, first I wanted to show I finally got my hair colored. This is something I got done yesterday, and it's like, I guess, a reddish brown. There's no name for it, but I really like it, and I feel like now I look my age. So I hope you like this color too. Also got my curls popping. So anyway, on to the look. So for the eyeshadows under the brow, I used this color. It's called Bangle, and all of these eyeshadows are from Anastasia. And then for transition, I used Morocco. And for the outer corner, I used Rich Velvet. If you have these colors, this is blast from the past. And for the middle of the eye, that pretty iridescent purple, that's what it's called, iridescent purple. And then in the inner corner, this eyeshadow is actually from Clarity Cosmetics, and it's called Gadgets and Gizmos. It's a foiled shadow, and it's just a shimmery light pink that I have in the inner corner. And then for these pretty glittery lashes, these are from Crystal Cosmetics. They're in the style Sugar Rush. So since they had some pink and purple in them, I said that'll go good with this look. So then I used for foundation the Estee Lauder 7W1's Deep Spice. For the setting powder, I used Charlotte Tilbury in her, I guess, finishing powder number 4 Deep. And for the cheeks, I'm using a blush from Magnolia Makeup. That's another blast from the past, and this is in the color Terracotta for the blush. And then if you can see underneath here, see the shimmer? That's actually a setting powder from the company that I was getting the other lashes from, the other glitter lashes from, the Butterfly Effect by Desi. So this is her translucent powder in translucent shimmer, and it's a setting powder that's got shimmers in it. I don't know if you could see that, but I don't think you can see the shimmers. I think you just see white. But yeah, it's supposed to not have any flashback, so I'm gonna check that out when I get done with this. I'm gonna take some selfies and see, but it doesn't have, I just used it, underneath here where I put some concealer. I also used the lip from her company, Butterfly Effect by Desi. This is in the color Love Spell. This is one of her, I guess it's like a gloss. And that's what I have on the lips. And I'm using a new primer, for me anyway. It's by e.l.f. It's the Power Grip Primer plus the 4% niacinamide. And it is sticky like they say, and I think the foundation went on really well and more vibrant because of that primer. So this is my first time trying it, and I liked how it was sticky, and then when you put the foundation on, it was sticking on there. So I do like that. And then I'm also trying a new setting spray. This is called Set and Play Super Stay, and I got this on TikTok from a makeup artist that developed that. So she say it's supposed to make the makeup last longer, and it's supposed to keep you matte. So I'm trying that out for the first time also. I'm going to link below my tutorial on TikTok for this look. And I think that was it. So I hope you like this look. And I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for watching.